How's it going, everybody? Thanks for checking out the video today. These are the top mounts for the suspension. I've been piecing the suspension together. I don't know if anyone's seen the pictures where I lost a strut to rust, and it was, a fun time. Anyway, so I've been piecing suspension together. These are the top hats. So I've already opened the boxes. I've unwrapped some of them. So and then I haven't unwrapped the other side because, I was just taking a look at them. Here we go. Part number for the rears is the same on both sides. And then part number for the fronts, again, same on both sides. These are the Group N mounts by STi. They are extremely stiff. They don't give much play, so it will probably be a noisier ride. So take a look at the rear here. It's a little disclaimer paper that says, no warranty because they are a stiffer part here. So these are sold as is with no warranty. Sorry, doing this with one hand. So they come in this sealed plastic bag and little wax paper of sorts. So that's what that looks like when they come out of the box. There's nothing else in the box at all. Same deal with this one. STi disclaimer. And I think, did I open this one already? No. So this one's sealed in the bag still. Again, comes with a wax paper. So yeah, that's what that looks like. You can take those out of the box. So these are the ones I've unboxed already. So we'll go ahead and open them up for you. Again, these are the rears. So this is what they look like outside. Just take a little peek here. So this is the bottom, and that's the top, how they sit inside. No bearing in this one. It's just a nice solid piece. The rubber is very, very stiff. So that's going to be, a fun little ride, I guess. Yeah. So that's the rear. And then the front, here's the front. Has an actual bearing inside of it. So let's take this out. Again, there's the bottom, and you see the bearing. It's actually got grease and stuff in it too. And then this is how the top sits in the car. I'm pretty sure there's a cover of sorts that's supposed to go on top here. I don't know if that's a separate piece I'm gonna have to order, so I'll take a look at that. I might have to reuse the old one for the time being until the new one comes. But yeah, got your... I was reading that these bolts only go on at 15 or 20 foot-pounds of torque for the nuts that go on these studs. I'll have to read into that, but I was reading that the torque setting is actually really low on these. Yeah. Anyway, getting ready to install them. I'm not going to be installing them today because I'm waiting on my upper spring perches and isolators from Winter Subaru. These came from Rallispec. Like I said, I paid under $300 for these, and they shipped really quick. So, yeah, I appreciate Rallispec getting on that, pretty quickly. So, again, the part numbers for the front. And then that's the rear. And then, like I said earlier, these are straight from STi. Disclaimer of the warranty. It's sold as is. Yeah. These are incredibly stiff. So, just giving you a heads up. Very highly recommended on these parts, though, for the suspension I'm putting in. So, all right, thanks for watching the video. Stay tuned for the suspension build. I'm probably going to be putting them in tomorrow. So, we'll see. Take care, everybody. We'll see you soon.